There's a lot of interesting things going on with cars these days, starting with in your driveway. You park your vehicle outside and someone decides to show up at night and decide they want to steal it. How do you know who it is? Well, you could probably use your doorbell camera, but it's not going to be crystal clear enough. And what we're also seeing on the roads, people stop at traffic lights, they put their vehicle in reverse and hit you, and then say it's your fault for hitting them.
Caught on camera. The moment a man is seen clearly breaking into a car in a parking lot on Van Buren and Michigan in downtown Milwaukee.
The driver of the silver Honda cut off Ashpia Natasha, causing her to slam on the brakes. When she didn't hit them, the driver then put the car into reverse and punched the gas, crashing into her. But then the backseat passengers tried to put a covering on the back window as the driver climbed over into the front passenger seat before getting out of the car and pretending to be hurt.
How do you resolve this? How do you protect yourself? That's where dash cameras come in. This camera really impressed me, and I'm going to install it in my car because sometimes these things happen when you're in the grocery store, you're parked in a parking lot. Who hit your vehicle? Well, now we're about to find out. The VIOFO A329S is more than just a dash camera. This setup includes true 4K recording, as well as fisheye lens inside. So no matter what happens around your vehicle or in your vehicle, you're gonna have that recorded, and it's downloadable to your phone, and you can use it for your insurance company or the police to prove that you were not at fault. One of the features that really impresses me is the triple Sony STARVIS 2 cameras. These sensors are super crystal clear. You want to be able to see the license plate and, of course, the face of the person that looks in your vehicle or the fool that backs into you. One camera faces to the back, one to the front, and one is a fisheye inside so that you have full documentation of what's happening. The infrared fisheye cabin camera has a 210-degree ultra-wide field of view. The A329S captures every angle inside and out in stunning detail. This system is powered by Sony's advanced STARVIS 2 sensors, so all channels deliver exceptional low light performance, dynamic range, and ensuring very sharp and balanced footage, both day and night. This is when you need to collect that data, especially if you're not with your vehicle. The cabin camera includes 4 infrared LEDs and offers switchable ultra-wide and fisheye modes. It's ideal for rideshare drivers or in-car vlogging. The system offers Wi-Fi 6 for lightning-fast transfers. It also has hybrid parking surveillance with low power impact detection in case someone decides to give you a little fender bender. That external SSD card is up to 4 terabytes, so you can download that to your computer and use it to help protect yourself in case you have an insurance claim. The system includes GPS logger and CPL filter, as well as Bluetooth remote. The system includes all the wiring you need, and they're small enough that you can just hide them in little areas in your car so the cable's not in your way. I was super impressed with the VIOFO A329S dash cam system. Best of all, crystal clear pictures, downloadable information you can use for your insurance company, the police department, or just to have documentation in case you need it. Best of all, this system is super easy to install, includes a remote control as well as an SD card. It's pretty easy to install. I was able to do it quite quickly. And best of all, there is a discount for our viewers at $469.99. The link for that is down below in the description. That's usually a $499 charge. You can get this state-of-the-art system and keep an eye on your vehicle, both inside and out at all times. Whether you're an Uber driver or you just want to protect your valuables, VIOFO has done a great job making the newest state-of-the-art system something that you can buy at a reasonable price. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and check out our car review channel, Car Smarts. You can support me by buying me a cup of coffee, and if you want even more content, check out the links in the description. I'm Lauren Fix. Thank you so much for watching.